let's take a look at this example. Again, we're supposed to convert the radicals to the exponents. So I have y is equal 5 over x to power 1/7 plus 2x to the 7 plus 3 over 2x to power 1/2. So next, we're supposed to convert the division to multiplication. So if y is equal 5x to power negative 1/7 plus 2x to the 7 plus 3 over 2x to power negative 1/2. Derivative of my function is constant 5 times the exponent negative 1/7 x. Subtract 1 from the exponent, negative 1/7 minus 7 over 7 plus constant 2 times the exponent 7 x, 7 minus 1 plus constant 3 over 2 times the exponent negative 1/2 x, negative 1/2 minus 2 over 2. So I have y prime is equal negative 5 over 7 x minus 8 over 7 plus 2 times 7 is 14x to the 6th power. And I have negative 3 over 4. 3 times 1 is 3, and I have 2 times 2 is 4. Positive times negative is negative. So I have x minus 3 over 2. Next, I'm going to convert the negative exponents to positive. So if y prime is equal negative 5 over 7x to power 8 over 7 plus 14x to the 6 minus 3 over 4x to power 3 over 2. Next, I'm going to convert the fractional exponents to the radicals. So if y prime is equal negative 5 over 7, and I have 7 root of x raised to 8th power plus 14x to the 6 minus 3 over 4, and I have square root of x to the 3rd power. And this is my solution to this problem.